Hi, I'm Nikita, and you're watching Russ My name is Nikita Polyakov. I'm a Windows Phone developer and VP. I'm out of Tampa, Florida. I work for a company called TriBridge in their Concerto private cloud division.
And how's things going at TriBridge?
They're going great. I'm a part of a new exciting team there called Concerto Cloud Services. So what I'm doing as a cloud applications engineer is putting together different things like SharePoint CRM and all the tools, but also learning about the infrastructure tools like System Center 2012. So it's exciting being here at TechEd 2012, learning about these tools and those rooms. I got to tell you, the System Center 2012 is hot. It's on fire. So? It is standing room only. So I'm learning the APIs and the tool sets and the toolkits to build some things for us for our cloud guys.
Now, why is this such a hot topic, do you think?
The hot topic is because a lot of companies are realizing, looking into private cloud. What does it mean? You know, there's so many different definitions of cloud. You have public cloud, you have private cloud, you have the mixed modes. People are just a little confused, frankly. So, but everybody is asking, hey, what are we doing with our infrastructure? And tools like System Center help you take your assets, and you're going to take that and create this fabric of resources and start really being able to bring up new systems quicker and help service your customers. Basically, frankly, get your job done a lot faster.
So let's talk about Windows Phone. Huh?
Absolutely. So I'm super excited about, Russ, you guys, that's some kind of a small announcement. I forgot exactly what it was about. But I know I kept asking Russ, I'm like, when are we getting some Windows Phone tools from you guys?
I know it.
I think if you guys were excited to announce it, I'm excited that you guys have that as part of the ComponentOne suite, the Windows Phone controls.
Yeah.
So we're definitely going to be cracking those open now, and I don't know if there's any new sticker branding going on those, but I'll be excited to take a look at those controls.
Oh, absolutely. We'll get you some of those. Take a look at them. I took a quick look at them myself. I got to learn them too, and I was pretty impressed. There's a lot of nice stuff in there, and I think you'll enjoy that. We got some graph controls, some mapping controls with Esri. We got a rich text box editor, so you can edit in a rich text, unlike the SDK, which just has view only.
That is awesome.
So it's pretty cool. I'm looking forward to really.
I think Esri is an interesting one as well, because that's not something that's usually offered. So
yeah, absolutely. And you know what? I think the Phone 7 overall at this conference is blowing me away in terms of the interest. I mean, the phone booth is like right over there. And there has been like a steady line of people going in there every day.
It has been insane. So I'm speaking there at the Windows Phone developer booth, and all day, the entire time the conference, you can tell. I mean, it's a little quieter during the sessions, but you can tell when you're going out there, there is a line so long. I think the only longer line at this conference, anything that I've seen, and had the most buzz and excitement around, is the Nokia line at their own booth for the Nokia products to give away.
Well, I got to tell you, I think the last time we chatted was at the MVP Summit.
Yep.
And on that day, and you called it right, man. You called it right, is when they introduced the Nokia 900.
Yeah.
Right? And you were like excited about it then. You knew that was going to be like a hot device.
And this is exactly what's happening. Thank you for bringing that up, because people in line there are like, I got to see this phone. I got to experience it.
Well, thanks, Nikita, for your time.
Thank you.
Once again, and being on RussCam, we much appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
I'm Ward Bell, and I am the VP of Technology at IdeaBlade, which is a California company that makes a product to help you build your application, get data over the wire and into your client-side app. We're targeting people who build traditional business applications, often forms over data, and their clients, they wish, they're used to doing the old client-server way, but they have to get it out over the net. Still want that client-side execution, but how do I get my data back and forth and program it against it in an easy way? That's what we do. All the way from the back stack, all the way to the front till you get to the model. At which point, it's time to now shift to building your presentation, and then maybe you're doing MVVM on top of that, and then you're layering on top of that some component controls, and maybe that's ComponentOne.
All right, yeah, could very well be, right?
It could very well be.
Hey, so what do you think of TechEd this week?
Well, it's fascinating. There's a lot of cool stuff that's coming out in Azure, things that interest me. The things that are happening in Azure, the Windows 8, the fact that they are talking about Windows 8 in the enterprise and how to get an enterprise client app into Win 8. That's really, I haven't heard those kinds of words before, and it's very encouraging. So I'm excited for my customers.
Yeah, lots of changes there, that's for sure.
That's right. So I think Win 8 could take off. The great thing about these conferences is the people you talk to in the halls, in the exhibition area, and that's the priceless part. I can see a lot of it online later, but there's nothing like the fabulous hallway conversations you have with people. One of the reasons I dress like this is because people come. You could start a conversation with anybody, and everybody has a great story to tell, and I love listening to them.
Well, listen, thanks for your time. I'm being on RussCam. Really appreciate it.
It's good to be on RussCam.
Get UI controls for data visualization, layout, input, and more inside the ComponentOne Windows 8 Studios. Designed to enhance the rich user experience of Windows 8, these controls give you powerful and unique functionality to help you build better and more compelling Windows Store apps. No matter whether you develop in C#, VB, or JavaScript, ComponentOne has controls for you. Visit ComponentOne.com/WinRT to learn more and download the controls today.
This camera's pretty hot, you know. We just got done interviewing John Papa.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so.
Show him how to interview.
Hi, I'm Ward Bell, and you are watching RussCam.
Go to ComponentOne.com/RussCam to find other episodes and check out my blog. Plus follow RussCam TV on Twitter and Facebook.